So a practical solution here, not including the Faraday cage scenario, but just to talk about the cabling, you should have shielded cables from the transducer, and that would normally be connected to the measuring unit. So that's going to create a Faraday cage in itself with the shielded cables. And ideally, again, as I mentioned earlier, you want to have the shortest cables possible to mitigate noise issues. So to elaborate a little bit further, let's say in this case, you're using zero flux current transducers, whether it be 50, 200, 400, 600, or 1200 amps RMS. CTs I've shown here they provide very high accuracy, up to 0.01% at 5 kilohertz, for example, and even high bandwidth up to as high as a megahertz. And then naturally you'll use an interface or a power supply unit to power the CTs. And then you have connection cables that run from the CT to the interface or power supply unit. And then you have cables that run from the interface unit or power supply to your dynamic power analyzer. And in all cases, these cables are shielded.